Side and welcome back to my channel Side Tech. In today's we'll try to play the Asphalt 9 gameplay test in the Realme X7 Max too, as you can see friends. So right now I'm trying to use a Realme X7 Max and let's see how well the Asphalt 9 will be able to play in this phone. The Realme X7 Max has got the Dimensity 1200 processor, as you can see friends, 1200, and Realme X7 Max device, and this is a kind of new chipset and which needs kind of optimization for the few of the games like Call of Duty and PUBG because they don't support high standards graphics. That is what I did find out. But let's see what will happen with the Asphalt 9 settings. So whether you can play with 120 fps or 90 fps or 60 fps consistent or not. I'll try to use a default and third-party FPS monitor as well during this time of demonstration. So right now 120 Hz refresh rate is turned on successfully. Let me try to open the Asphalt game here. So right now I do have the gaming controller which is connected to the Realme X7 Max, as you can see friends clearly, which shows the gamepad connector right now. And right now I can just access from this controller, which is kind of really easy for me to do. Let me to quickly start the match. And I'll try to use a real-time FPS meter, which is a third-party FPS meter during this time of gameplay. Let me try to start the match quickly and let's see what will happen. Let me try to press and play. And the only problem with the real-time FPS meter is that which is present in this phone, which is not that convenient to use. I'll try to explain why it is. So not in all the games, only in the few games, this is a problem which I'm trying to face in the Realme phones particularly. So I'm not sure when they will be updating. So when you try to access the real-time FPS meter, as you can see friends, the background game will completely stop. As you can see right now the Asphalt 9 is completely stopped and you won't be able to see how much FPS you're getting. So there is no point and there is no usefulness of this real-time FPS meter because the background game is stopping. So this is happening only in few games and few apps, only not in all the games. As I said, only in few games. So Asphalt 9 is one of that game which you won't be able to see the real-time FPS meter, which really pisses me off. So sorry for that friends, but I need to use a third-party application to test the real-time FPS meter. Let me try to do that. So right now I'm trying to use the real-time FPS meter third party, as you can see friends clearly. Right now the FPS dropped to 40 FPS if you notice or not. So I'm trying to show you exactly the FPS meter. I did see some kind of frame drops, sometimes it's happening, not much. Right now it dropped to 50 FPS. So try to focus on the real-time FPS meter which you are getting on the top. I'm trying to keep the phone as much as close to the camera so you'll be able to see the real-time data, how much it is. So I did see a couple of times the frames have got dropped while gaming, so that I did notice that kind of thing right now while gaming in this phone. So let me try to start the game and show you the details again. So let me try to start playing this next match. So let's see what will happen with the results of this match. So right now you are able to see the FPS meter really close. I think it's about 60 FPS right now I was able to get 60. So I'm trying to go close to some other cars so you'll be able to see the FPS drop to 54% as well right now. So when there's a crash, just now it did happen. As you can see friends, 57. So 58 FPS, 60 FPS, not much. So let me just show you exactly what kind of settings I'm trying to use in this kind of gameplay. And you can find the link for this controller in the settings in the description below. So there you can use my link from the Amazon. You can buy the controller in case if you're interested. Let me try to go back to the settings and show you exactly what kind of graphic settings I'm trying to use. So somewhere, yes, sound and display. And the graphic settings, visual quality, I did select to the medium. So now there is an option of high quality, default and performance. As you can see friends, performance, default and high quality. So let me try to select the high quality and see what will happen, whether there will be any kind of difference or not. That is what I'm trying to see right now. Let me try to restart completely the complete game. So right now the game is completely restarting. So So now you'll be able to see the real-time FPS meter, which is activated on the top side, as you can see, friends. So in case if you want to know that real-time FPS meter, I'll try to make another video in case if you're interested, so make sure to comment below. So let me try to start the game with the high quality settings. Right now I'm trying to play the high quality. So right now I'm getting about 44 FPS, 46 FPS during this time. So I'll try to even keep a screen recording sample as well, in case if you want me to upload the screen recording sample, I can do that. So right now the game has been begun, and let's see what will be the statistics of the real-time FPS meter this time we'll be getting with the high quality. So previously I did use the default settings only. Right now 57 settings, 57 FPS meter I'm trying to get. 58 FPS meter. 57, as you can see, friends, 57, it did drop to 57 as well. 58, but I was unable to get the higher than that 60, but let's see what will happen. I think even the other Snapdragon 870 processor also not supported this kind of highest gameplay, I think in 120 FPS at this point. So 58, it dropped. Not much. As you can see, friends, during this time of gameplay we did see the drop of close to 57 and 58, but not much frame drops is observed. And from this moment of starting the game, and right now the temperature increased to 38, 39 degrees, but not much, 38 and 39. So this is a quick gameplay, friends, in terms of the Asphalt 9. One more thing, the most disappointing thing is that you cannot use the 4D vibrations. I'm not sure why they did disable that. It's totally annoying me, because it's present in the OnePlus 9R and IQ7 smartphones. You can actually get really very good haptic feedbacks. Even when I'm trying to use the controller, I used to get the haptic feedbacks as well. That's a really good strong vibrations I used to get using those phones. I love playing the games in those phones because of this haptic feedback vibrations. It will definitely give you the next level gaming experience, friends. Trust me, when you're trying to play the games, that's a really good thing. So right now real-time FPS 55, 50 and 60. As you can see, friends, just now it dropped to 51. Just now, you just saw. So just now there's a frame drop as well to 51. So which 57. Right now we did see some kind of slightly frame drop. I'm trying to just hit the car and see the frame drops will be there or not. That's what I'm trying to do from the beginning. And finally we did got a shot, so where there's a frame drop to 51 seconds, 51 FPS. So thank you for watching this video, friends. It's a quick gameplay and the complete review of this Asphalt 9. And overall the game doesn't support the 4D vibrations, and the game doesn't support the real-time FPS meter which is present in this phone. You cannot use that. That's another really saddest part. And overall the gameplay is kind of really good. And let me know in the comments below if you want me to include the screen recording as well or not. So in case if you want to buy the controller, make sure to check the links in description. Gaming link will be there. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.